Good morning, guys. It's the Average American Guy here, and today we are celebrating Independence Day. So happy Independence Day out to you guys. And we have a really busy day coming up. I'm gonna do some real cutting on the yard this morning, so I'm gonna show you some video of that. And then I have to do a smoked queso recipe for a neighborhood party that we're gonna do. So I'm gonna do that on my Traeger, and I'll show you my step-by-step process of how to make the best queso ever. And then finally, you guys are going to see our fireworks display that we had here in the neighborhood, and it's going to be a really good time. So hold on real quick. Ooh, it's going to be a hot one today. Here's the drain that we put in. It's starting to grow back in a little bit. This is the yard before we cut. This is what I'm excited about today. It's going to be a pretty decent fireworks show. We'll see how it looks. This is how you know you're crazy. Got 16 bags of malorite waiting to get dropped out. Here's the recipe that we're going to use for this smoked queso. I'm adding some pepper jack cheese in it just to give it a little bit different of a spice. This is Kobe Jack cubes that are already cut into 1-inch squares. Use 1 packet. And then I use 2 blocks of Velveeta cheese. They're 2 pounds a piece, cut into 1-inch squares. I use 2 Vidalia onions to put in there, and I also use 2 tomatoes. So the peppers we use the poblano pepper, jalapenos, and then lastly the serrano peppers to add a different level of spice.
The parsley is going to be used afterwards to dress the top of the queso. We also used 4 cans of rotel in the mixture, and also 1 can of cream of mushroom soup that helps with the consistency of the queso.
Alright, so this is what we're going to use for smoking our queso today. This is the grill that I use for my daily cooking now. It's the Traeger Pro 34 series. It can get up to 450, but we're going to cook at 350 degrees today. So the way you set up, it's just electrical hookup. And then over here on the left-hand side, I'm going to turn it on first. And then turn the dial to 350 degrees. Alright, so it takes about 15 minutes or so for it to warm up. So we'll be back in a second. It's up to 350 right now on the Traeger, so we're going to go ahead and put this queso on. That's going to take about an hour and a half, and we're going to need to stir about 4 times throughout the process just to make sure the mixture is good and mixed. So, all right, here we go. Give you guys an update here in a couple minutes.
It's been about 40 minutes. Look at that.
All right, we're pulling it off. It's been on for an hour and a half. There we go. All right.
For this last portion of the video, I wanted to show you guys how I set up my stations to do my fireworks display, but I really ran out of time throughout the day, And I didn't get some good GoPro footage, and I just had a cell phone that we captured the majority of the fireworks. But everybody just enjoy and happy 4th.